Children, you all can see these small pictures on the background. These are called icons. And this white color pointer is there, you all can see. That is called mouse pointer. When you move the mouse, example I am moving a mouse here, you all can see. The way I am moving here, it is moving like that way. Now, this is the mouse. In this mouse, there are two buttons. This is the left button and this is the right button, you all can see. The right button and the left button. This is your finger. You all have to keep it like this way. Your index finger should come on your left button. Now if I want to start any application to type letters, I will click on the start button. You all can see, children, I am clicking on the start. Here is the start button. So I am going to click on the start. Once I go to a start, I want to type something. If I want to type something, I will be opening one specific application called Notepad. So I will move my mouse cursor little up and I will come to the all programs. Where I am going, children? All programs. When I click on the all programs, these all programs will be displayed over here. In that I will be going to accessories, children. You all can see there is one option called accessories. Just click on it. Once you click on it, here the list will open. I will move my cursor up and I will click on the Notepad, children. Can you see here Notepad? Yes, Notepad. Just click on the Notepad, children. Once you click on the Notepad, the screen will come on your desktop. This screen is called window. What it is called, children? Window. Now let me tell you how to make it big. See, in the top right corner there are three buttons. You all can see, children. In that there is a middle button called maximize or minimize. When you click on this button, the window will become big. If you want small window, again you can click on that, it will become small. If you don't want this application, you can close here. There is a red color button over here in the corner. Click on that, it will close the application if you don't want it. Now I want to type something. How do I type? Let me show you. Children, you all can see here at the top left, one line is blinking. Can you see that? Yes, children. That is called cursor. From there you can start typing. So this is your keyboard, children. You all have learned it in previous class. This is your keyboard. If I want to type anything, example, I want to type letter A. So I will click on the A. Yes, children, you all can see. I just press this one and I just left it. It has come over there. So like this way you all can type other letters also. Example, I will type a R. If I want again A, I will just press the A like this way. T is there. T I am pressing. I am pressing. Yes, children. Whatever is pressed by you, that will come on the screen. Example. Now, I want space now in between the first word and second one. There is a space bar here. You all can see, children. This is the big one bar. If you press this, once if you press, one space will come. Twice if you press, two space will come. Three if you press, 3 times it comes. So how many spaces you want, you all can press by this space bar. Now I will type the second name. Yes, A P N A. So like this way you all can type with your help of fingers. Now if you want to erase this, how to erase? You all can erase this with the help of backspace. One backspace I pressed, one spelling is erased from the left side like this way. How many backspace you press, that much it will go back side. Understanding, children? So this button is very important. If you want to erase any spelling, this backspace button is used. If you want to give a space in between, you can use this. So you all can type like this way, your school name and your name. So the assignment is to type your name in notepad. I pressed Y, my. Now I want space, so I am pressing space bar. My, N-A-M-E, my name. Space again, I-S, is, my name is. You have to write your name, Rohit, R-O-H-I-T. Now I want to go down. So there is one more button you all can see in the keyboard. This is called enter. When you press this button, it will jump to the next line. You all can see the cursor has come to the next line. Now I will write my space SCHOOL, my school, space name, space is, space KLE, space school, SCHOOL. Understood, children? So you all can type your name and school name in the notepad like this way. Use the keyboard and type it. Thank you.